Okay, let's face it. We are absolutely drowning in data every single day, aren't we?
Oh, completely. Spreadsheets, reports. It's just
It
overwhelming.
really is oceans of it.
Yeah.
So what if there was like a map for that ocean, a way to translate those numbers?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're diving into today. Data visualization for effective storytelling. We want to figure out how to turn all that complexity into something clear, maybe even compelling.
And that skill is just crucial now. Seriously. Attention spans are, well, they're short.
Tell me about it.
So visualization isn't just showing data. It's actually turning that noise into real insight, making things visible. Like Florence Nightingale, you mentioned her.
Right, the rose diagram.
Exactly. She used that visual to tell a story about Crimean War deaths so powerfully it forced change, made the patterns undeniable. That's the kind of power we're talking about.
So raw data is noise, basically. Like an orchestra tuning up, just chaos.
Yeah, pretty much no structure, no context.
So how does visualization become the conductor? How does it create that harmony, that meaning? Because you know that feeling, staring at a spreadsheet.
Oh, yeah. The data black hole.
Exactly. Data goes in, but no insight comes out.
Well, that's where visualization steps in. It gives shape to the insight, turns those cold numbers into something you can actually follow, a narrative.
Make sense?
It simplifies the complex stuff so the real story hidden in the data can actually shine through for everyone, not just the data nerds.
And it's amazing how far it's come, isn't it? We all know bar charts, line graphs, pie charts maybe.
What are classics?
But it feels like things have really exploded. Where's the cutting edge now? What's getting interesting?
Well, yeah, it goes way beyond static images now. Think interactive dashboards.
Okay.
Where you can actually click around, explore the data in yourself,
Yeah.
dig into what you care about in real time.
So you're in control.
Exactly. Then you have infographics. They're great for mixing visuals, and text for really concise stories, quick takeaways, and data maps, of course, showing geographical trends you'd just completely miss otherwise. It's like going from a flat photo to a 3D walkthrough.
Wow.
These aren't just decorative. They reveal patterns, they make the message crystal clear, and they build really strong visual arguments.
Okay, so it's strategic. It's not just making things look nice.
Definitely not.
So how do you actually do that? How do you craft that compelling story with data? Is there some kind of formula?
Well, not quite a formula, but a process. First, you've got to define your core message. Like, what is the absolute key thing you need people to remember?
The number one takeaway.
Precisely. And then, critically, who are you talking to? Your audience. Is it experts needing all the tiny detail?
Or maybe the general public?
Right, because a detailed scatter plot might be perfect for a technical paper, but for a public talk, you probably want a simpler infographic.
Okay, tailor it.
You have to. And then use visual hierarchy. That's about using things like size, color, position strategically.
To guide the eye.
Exactly. You make sure their eye lands right on the most important part first, the climax of your data story.
Got it. So with all these techniques, what tools are people using? It seems like there must be loads of options.
Oh, there are. Plenty. Tableau and Power BI are really popular for dashboards, very powerful, relatively intuitive.
Okay.
Then for coders, or people wanting more flexibility, you've got open source options like Python libraries, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, really robust.
So something for everyone.
Pretty much. But the key thing, honestly, is matching the tool to your skills and the project. And always remember, clarity beats complexity every time.
Right.
A simple, clear bar chart in Excel can be way more effective than some flashy, confusing 3D thing that just obscures the point. Avoid that cognitive load.
Makes total sense.
Yay!
So looking forward, what's next? Where's data visualization heading?
It's a really exciting time, actually. AI and machine learning are starting to automate things, suggesting smart visuals based on your data.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, taking some of the guesswork out. And we're seeing more interactive and even immersive experiences. Think VR or AR for exploring really complex data.
Wow, walking through your data.
Sort of. So visualization is moving beyond just communication. It's becoming a tool for discovery, for decision-making, even, for driving change in society.
So wrapping this up then, data visualization isn't just the last step, like putting a cover on a report.
Not at all.
It's fundamental. It's part of how we think, how we share ideas, how we innovate, especially in research, making insights truly accessible.
Absolutely. Whether you're publishing research, pitching an idea, presenting findings, telling that data story well, that can be the difference between being understood and just being ignored.
Getting your message across.
It's the key to making it resonate, making it stick.
So a final thought for everyone listening. how can you use these ideas? How can you tell your own data's story better? Make sure you're understood. Think about your last presentation. Could a visual have made it stronger?
Good question to ponder.
Keep exploring. Keep turning that data into stories that really matter. Stay curious, everyone.